to go ahead and put the BUG-atti engine together. Stage 4 cam, pretty much got everything. Buckets, lifters, rocker arms, with the pedestal stand, timing chain, high pressure oil pump, ARP bolt pin, nail rods, springs, seats and everything. Crank bolt, every gasket I need. Pickup tube, and look who's back. So 6.0 board pass is 6.2, maybe 379 or whatever. So I still gotta pull that off. So we're gonna be doing the crank today. Top to the center, 1 and 6. I think that's 6. So, of course, all new mains, new cam bearings also. So we're gonna go ahead and get out there and do. This is valve spring compressor. This thing ain't nothing. I used this one on Moon Rock when I was pretty much did all this to that engine too. It ain't nothing but about $20 to $28 at the most. So I got this style because my head's off. If your head's not off, they got one that bolt right here, and then you can work it from there. So this is gonna compress the spring so I can remove it, get the retainers out, and or the keepers, and then I can pull the spring out. This one wasn't that much of a pain this time. I'm glad. I thought, you know, since I'm recording, it's gonna give me problems. And there we go. It's on there. Get that out the way. And I'm gonna just keep going down the line on that. So I got my cam all greased down. And this is a stage 4 from Brian Tooley Racing. Okay, so we ran through a whole cycle with 1826543. So 3 is gonna be our last one. So I just got done doing 4, so I was gonna show y'all 3. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it till they get relieved. Okay, so this one, that's good. Let's see how she's moving up. Let's come up right there. Torque both of these down. Let's hit line straight up. Let's see how we got in position. 26 pounds. It's a hard 26. One step closer. Like I said, I need some films to set my gear on the oil pump. Other than that, I found some valve cover I like. OEM, I put that on the other ones I'm doing. So I got 2 more to do. One for the People's People and then the white one. So I'm working on like 7 projects right now. But we got the heads on, rocker arms. So pretty much valve training is done.